Hello, and welcome to the Siam Center Law Group of podcasts. In today's episode, let's talk about how to divide inheritance that involves real estate, such as land, houses, and condos. What should you do? And what happens when the heirs can't agree? Now, some people might think it's just inheritance, shouldn't be that hard to split. But in reality, when it comes to real estate, it's not that simple. These properties are usually high in value and very difficult to divide fairly. Narsha, why is real estate harder to divide? Real estate, land, houses, condos, is easier to locate and verify thanks to the official land registry and title deeds. That makes it simpler to track than things like jewelry, cash, or gold. But when it comes time to actually divide with the property, that's where the problems start. Unlike cash or cars, which are easier to split, you can't just cut a house in half or draw a line through a condo. Or what if the heirs can agree? If the heirs are all on the same page, great. They can divide ownership, TD, by surveying the land and giving each person their share, or sell the property and split the money. According to their inheritance portion, this is supported by Section 1750 of the Thai Civil and Commercial Code. Terminasham, what if the heirs can't agree? Here's where the law steps in. Specifically, Section 1745 and 1364 of the Civil and Commercial Code. If the heirs can't agree, the matter goes to court. The court will choose one of these three main solutions. Option 1. The court divides the property. The court may try to divide the property itself. Say there's a piece of land that can be physically separated. The court might order a survey and assign portions to each heir. If someone gets a bigger or more valuable piece, they may be required to pay compensation to the others to balance it out. But in practice, courts rarely use this method because it's difficult to divide fairly. Option 2. Heirs bid against each other. Let's say there are three heirs who can't agree on what to do. The court may allow them to bid against each other. For example, if one heir really wants the land, they can offer to buy out the other two. Whoever offers the highest amount gets the property, and the others get their share in cash. Option 3. Public auction. If the heirs still can't reach an agreement and no one wants to buy the property, the court may order a public auction. Through the legal execution department, the property will be sold to the highest bidder, and the proceeds will be divided among the heirs according to their shares. This is usually the last resort, as public auctions often result in lower sale prices. A real case example. In writing, Supreme Court Judgment Number 3501/2533, the court ruled that if heirs can't divide property on their own, they must first try bidding among themselves. If that fails, the property can be renancho sold at auction, and the money will be shared. In summary, if you can divide the inheritance among yourselves, that's best. If not, the court will help. If the court can't split it, then bid for it among yourselves. If that fails too, it will go to public auction, and then you just divide the cash. From my experience, it's always better for heirs to talk and reach an agreement themselves, rather than going to court or selling to outsiders. You'll usually get a better price and avoid a lot of stress and conflict. Hope today's episode helped you understand more about how real estate inheritance is handled in Thailand. If you have questions or want legal advice about inheritance issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Siam Center Law Group. We're here to help in plain language and with practical solutions. Until next time, take care and goodbye.